I'm trying out a mobile repair company called Bumper Time. I got quoted for $400 to fix this. Someone backed up into my car, and of course they didn't leave a note. $425 later. Looks good. I was hoping it would be a tiny bit cheaper, but I still saved about $100 over a body shop, and I didn't have to drop it off for a couple of days. These guys go to you. He did it in about 3 hours. He told me I could wash it now, just don't pressure wash it for a week. I won't clean this thing for a week overall. I'll just let it sit a little longer. It's already been sitting for a couple of months. That's why you haven't seen much of this car. So someone backed up into it, and it started off, you could see a crack when someone backed up into it. It was okay for a while. It was just cracked. You know, this happened months and months ago. But then it just started peeling, and it was so ugly I didn't want to drive it. That's why you haven't seen much of this car lately. When this was done, I was told I could wash it, just don't run it through a pressure wash. It'll take about a week to cure. So I didn't wash it at all for the first week. So washed my car, looking good. $425. I didn't drive this car for 2 months when it had that crack, when the bumper was chipping. It was just too ugly to drive. This is my hobby right here, my cars. Work hard in life, and I just like my cars looking good. So there it is, looking good again. So that's Bumper Time. I didn't have to take my car to a body shop. 3 hours later, the car looks good again. I'm driving it again. This car is really great on fuel, and it's fun. Are you guys like that? Like when your car has major damage on it, you don't even want to drive it. There it is, there's the bumper. Poor car. This is the second time it's been hit in the front.